Good afternoon guys, welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. For today's video, check natin ang 2025 Honda CR-V 2.0 RS EHEV CVT Honda Sensing. Guys, ito yung top of the line ng ating Honda CR-V. Ang kanyang price is 2,605,000 pesos. Tour ko na kayo ngayon sa ating featured unit for today. Guys, quick trivia lang, ito yung 6th generation ng ating Honda CR-V. The same time, all new look na siya. Kung mapapansin nyo, very different na ang kanyang itsura compared doon sa previous model na merong diesel variant. Sa front portion guys, naka LED headlights tayo with daytime running lights, LED fog lamps, glossy black RS front grille, and ang maganda dito guys, si Honda CR-V lang ang merong transparent case sa Honda emblem dito sa front portion. Tapos meron siyang outer blue lining. Sa lower portion naman, diamond shape ang ating lower front bumper. And kung mapapansin nyo guys, meron na rin siyang mga sensors sa front. And meron na rin siyang camera sa ilalim ng Honda emblem. Napaka-aggressive ng itsura ngayon ng ating Honda CR-V. And kung mapapansin nyo guys, halos lahat ng ilabas ng Honda na all new look, may pagkasingkit na yung headlights. Sa upper portion naman guys, glossy black ang ating garnish. Regarding naman sa engine guys, hybrid na to. So dalawang engine natin, isang electric and isang motor engine. Ang kanyang horsepower guys is 204. Then ang kanyang torque is 335. Mas fuel efficient siya kasi most of the time pag in-start mo kasi ang sasakyan, electric motor muna or electric engine muna ang magfa-function. Ang motor engine natin guys, it's more on backup lang siya. Every time na ano na yung battery, konti na lang ang charge, and the same time pag na-sense na ni CR-V na kailangan niya na ng additional speed. Equipped na nga rin pala ito ng Honda Sensing guys. Dito naman tayo sa passenger side. Ang maganda rin dito guys, kung mapapansin nyo, yung fenders niya, body color din. Nagko-complement siya doon sa buong exterior feature ng ating vehicle. Naka 18-inch glossy black alloy wheels tayo guys. Ventilated disc ang ating front brakes. MacPherson strut ang ating suspension naman sa harap. Ground clearance is 198mm. Door integrated side mirrors. Side turning lights is sa side mirror na rin. Meron na siyang lane watch camera and 360 camera. Body color door handles. And kung mapapansin nyo guys, yung windows natin is malaki. And nagko-complement nga pala guys yung glossy black garnish and yung chrome doon sa pillars. Kaya mas premium siya tingnan. Sa rear naman guys, naka-solid disc tayo. Multi-link naman ang suspension sa ating rear. Sa upper portion naman guys, naka shark fin antenna tayo na glossy black. Meron tayong roof rail and may nakaabang na dyan just in case na i-consider yung magpalagay ng roof rack. And meron tayong sunroof. Ang sunroof natin guys, exclusive lang for hybrid. Dito naman tayo sa back portion guys. Actually, quick review lang naman to. And syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating signature vertical tail lights ng Honda CR-V. Kung mapapansin nyo, first gen hanggang 6th generation, naka-vertical tail lights tayo. Yun na yung isa sa mga identity ng Honda CR-V. Meron na tayo reverse camera, 4-eye backup sensor. Then, naka-ano na siya, dual tailpipe finish. Naka power tailgate na rin tayo guys. with hands-free assist. Ibig sabihin guys, basta dalayin mo yung smart key, pwede mong i-swipe lang yung paa mo dito sa ilalim, magko-close na siya. Pero hindi ko kasi dala yung smart key, kaya natin siya, ipe-press natin yung button doon para mag-close. Regarding naman sa compartment guys, very spacious. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo ngayon sa screen, ito ang ating compartment space. Kasi 5-seaters lang guys pag hybrid. Wala siyang spare tire. It's more on sealant and tire inflator ang kasama. At the same time, ito yung floor mats na free. Ang battery ng hybrid natin is 8 years warranty guys. Ang ceiling nga pala natin is black na. Then meron tayong LED na lights dito sa compartment side. Then meron tayong power outlet sa driver side. Ulitin ko, ang ating tailgate is power tailgate with hands-free assist. Then meron tayong glossy black na tailgate spoiler. Third brake lamp. Dito po naman ang driver side. Fuel tank capacity is 57. So gasoline operated pa rin siya guys. Pero most of the time, like yung na-mention ko earlier, electric engine muna magpa-function. So fuel efficient ang consumption ng gasolina. Dito tayo sa door panel natin, dito sa second row, combination siya ng urethane, glossy black, and chrome accent. Then, sa pinaka armrest ng door panel natin, leather with red stitches. Ang texture ng seats natin guys is full genuine leather. Adjustable headrest lahat. Meron tayong armrest with 2 cup holders sa center. Ang ating dome light naman guys is touch na rin. LED siya. Sa center naman, meron tayong aircon vent and 2 Type-C na charging port. Dito naman tayo guys sa driver's seat. Naka smart entry na rin pala tayo guys. Sa door panel naman driver side, yung memory seats natin. Power folding side mirrors, power fold. Adjustment ng side mirrors itself. Ito yung knob nya. Central door lock, window lock, and window switches. Tire pressure guys, PSI guide nandito sa gilid ng driver side. Then power seats na, both front seats, pero ang difference ng driver side, may lumbar support siya. Sa ilalim naman guys, nandito ang bukasan ng hood. Then sports pedal guys, for RS variant. Dito na tayo sa saka ko lang muna guys. Dito na tayo sa driver side. Ito yung welcome window natin. Pag kinlose na natin yung door, full digital panel, colored na siya. Steering wheel is leather cover na with red stitches. Ang napapansin ko dito sa steering wheel guys, very elegant. Hindi siya maliit, hindi siya malaki. Nasa tamang size lang para sa handling. And napaka smooth ng ating steering wheel. Meron siyang combination ng urethane, leather, and glossy black portion. And dito sa ilalim yung chrome. audio control with hands-free telephone assist, adaptive cruise control, and Honda Sensing, paddle shifters, tilt and telescopic ang ating steering wheel guys. Pwede ko siyang i-forward papunta sa akin, backward, down, and up. Andito yung lock niya. Sa likod naman ng steering wheel guys, nandito yung for the fog lamps and headlights, and for the wiper. Push start button na rin siya guys. And touchscreen audio unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto Ready. Wireless Apple CarPlay guys, and meron na siyang Honda Connect. Ang units natin na may Honda Connect pa lang na unang nilabas is itong CR-V. Then eventually yung minor model change sa Civic, meron na siyang Honda Connect. Ang purpose nun is magkaroon kayo ng access through phone and magkaroon kayo ng notification regarding sa mga PMS. So very convenient sa part ng unit owner. Aircon vent is similar with Honda Civic. It's more on honeycomb aircon vent. Then ang dashboard natin guys, napaka futuristic. Dahil siguro yung kulay na to, yung it's more on dark gray na accent with glossy black finish. Aircon buttons natin is with ano pa rin, knobs. Then dual zone air conditioning na siya. Pwede nating adjust yung temperature ng passenger side and ibang temperature din sa driver side. Sa ilalim naman ng aircon buttons natin, meron tayong dalawang port. Universal size and yung type C for charging power outlet. Portion na to, meron tayong wireless charger port, and may portion tayo dito para pwede natin lagay yung extra phone or coin pairs. Transmission natin, park, reverse, neutral, drive, and B. It's more on braking system. Ang purpose nun, pag pa-downhill kayo, i-shift nyo to B, mag-recharge or mag-charge ang ating battery. Yun ang pinaka-purpose nun. And pag pa-downhill, lagi nyo siyang i-B. Tapos may drive mode tayo. Meron tayong Econ, Normal, and Sports mode. Hill descent control. Pag inactivate nyo siya, kahit di nyo naapakan yung brake, magsa-self-adjust yung mga gulong na mabagal ang ikot. It's more on parang naka-engine brake para hindi ka nagagamit ng preno. Electronic park brake. Gagamitin mo na to pag magpapark ka na matagal or off mo na yung engine. Ang pinaka-handbrake natin guys is itong brake hold. Pag stop and go tayo sa traffic. 2 cup holders. Armrest. Leather na with red stitches. Glove box. And boss na ang sound system natin guys. For RS talaga boss ang sound system. For Civic and CR-V. And hopefully yung upcoming MMC ng HR-V, ilalunch namin siya next month by March. Hopefully malaman na namin yung full specs and yung price. Glove box, dito natin lalagay yung owner's manual, warranty booklet, insurance policy just in case may hard copy ka, and copy ng ORCR. Ang buttons na to is for the sunroof. LED na ang ating map light. Visors with vanity mirror and light na rin. Same goes dito sa passenger. So guys, yun lang. Just in case you have any concerns regarding cash discounts, low down payments, parts inquiries, service appointments, or even bank display for our bank partners, feel free to call or text 0906-386-8937 or visit me at 598 EDSA Balintawak, Caloocan City. And look for me guys, Ross Oliver Cruz, ang inyong friendly sales manager here at Honda Cars Balintawak. Looking forward to meet you here guys and render my services to you. Kindly subscribe na nga rin pala sa aking YouTube channel para maging updated sa mga susunod na videos, and pa-follow na rin sa aking Facebook, Ross Oliver Cruz, and aking Facebook page, Honda Cars Balintawak Best Deals by Ross Oliver Cruz. Yun lang guys, thank you and God bless.